This is how to power on your Android device. Android phones usually have a power button on the side of the phone, on the right side usually, and two volume buttons. There might be extra buttons like the camera button here, and this one doesn't really do anything. And on the left side of the phone, there is nothing. This is the charging port, and if you try to power on your Android phone and it doesn't work, you should try to plug in a USB-C charger or micro USB if the phone is older. This is USB-C, this reversible type of connector, and you can leave it for charging for 1 or 2 hours and then try again. The way you power on your Android phone is pretty simple. Press on the power button and keep pressing it. You do a long press, you count to 5 or even more until you feel a vibration or something showing up on the screen. So I'll show you right now how I'm doing it. So I start pressing now, I keep pressing, I keep pressing, I keep pressing, and it vibrated and it shows the logo there. It's a Sony Xperia phone and the phone is starting. It could be 5 seconds, maybe 7 seconds, maybe even 10 seconds, but you have to keep pressing the power button, and when the logo shows, you let go of the power button and wait for the phone to start. If it doesn't start, charge the phone for a few hours and then try again. If you're charging the phone and it's still not working, make sure the charging cable is good and the wall charger is also good. Always it's good to try another cable or try a different charger, wall charger. You will be asked for the passcode of the phone, of the device, and even the passcode of the SIM card if there is one. If there is no passcode for the phone, you can just swipe up and you will unlock the Android phone. So I entered the PIN of the phone, the passcode, and press next, and that's done. The interface might look a little bit different and this might take a bit of time, but you have to be a little bit patient and it's gonna be okay. Check the battery level when you do that and check that you have signal for Wi-Fi and for the mobile network, that everything is okay with the phone. Now you can use the phone, you can make a phone call. If you didn't use this phone for a long time, you have to check if the SIM card is there and you can check if there is signal. You can also make a test phone call or receive a test phone call or send a message. The easiest is to check for Wi-Fi to make sure that you can connect to the internet with the phone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like below and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps this channel. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one to learn how to use your Android phone. Thanks for watching.